Right, here we have quite a special aircraft. This is the first Airbus A321 from Transavia, Netherlands. It is my first time spotting it, and they are going to dump all of their 737s and buy Airbus A321s just like this one. This is my first time seeing it, and here it's landing at Amsterdam Schiphol Airport. Let's see how he will land in this windy conditions. Yes, and a nice touchdown. The first Airbus A321 from Transavia, Netherlands. And it looks pretty sick. Let me know in the comments what you think about this aircraft. I find it pretty cool. And here she's going to take the exit off the runway, closing the reverse thrust. And there in the background is the Emirates A380. And that was my first time spotting the A321 from Transavia. Very cool.